chambers. Like where do you find a hydrogen station? Not very many.
Yeah, yeah. It's and where is that hydrogen coming from too? Is it coming from natural gas? I mean, overall, it would still be cleaner than, a
Hmm.
traditional, fossil fuel powered vehicle. So you could potentially run hydrogen through this new type of engine. So if you're not familiar, which I don't blame you if you're not.
Yeah.
It's a very new technology, and it's really been pioneered by one company, Mainspring Energy. Um, Linear generators are basically a reinvention of the internal combustion engine, that maximize efficiency, that don't actually rely on combustion, and they operate under fairly low temperatures, so they minimize a lot of the pollution that comes out of it. And they can run on many different types of fuels. So essentially, the linear generator operates on the same principle as an internal combustion engine. You put some fuel in a chamber and then you compress it until you get a reaction. But with the linear generator, it's two pistons that go horizontally around a central reaction chamber, and they move in and out like that. And there's magnetic coils, and they're wrapped in copper wires. So as they move in and out based on that, that energy provided by the reaction chamber, they generate electricity. And
Wow.
they're just kind of floating on air, and they have, they're suspended by the magnets, and they have little air cushions on either end, so it compresses and then goes back, and boom, 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 boom. And they can modulate how fast or how slow the pistons come together to very precisely control the temperature to which the fuel in the center chamber gets combusted. They actually do it intentionally. They make it so it just under combustion, so it's still releasing energy from breaking some of the chemical bonds, but it's not going through a full heat and oxidation reaction. So you really cut down on things like nitrous oxide emissions, and other stuff like that that's produced when you have like high temperatures and kind of uncontrolled chemical reactions.
I would also imagine it kind of helps in the like not just the nitrous oxide side of it, but like other waste products. Like when you combust something, it will inevitably start to leave particles and stuff around the chamber that it's probably in. So I'd
So
imagine there's a little bit
yeah,
of, yeah, there's a cleanliness to the process too.